Hi, everybody. So I'm doing today's fact on Martin Luther King Jr., who everybody seems to think they understand and have this way of isolating him historically as some sort of passive individual who just wanted to work with white people, which is not true. And then Malcolm X is the extreme opposite, not understanding these people's speeches and their history. So I'm just going to actually read something by Martin Luther King and Martin Luther King on capitalism, which, in case you didn't know, America's whole economic structure is based on. So he says, quote, and one day, Alexa, off. Oops. Okay. And no, I'm not editing that out. All right. Quote, and one day we must ask the question, why are there 40 million poor people in America? And when you begin to ask that question, you are asking questions about the economic system, about a broader distribution of wealth. When you ask that question, you begin to question the capitalistic economy. And I'm simply saying that more and more, we've got to begin to ask the questions about the whole society. This was in 1967, because even as they moved to the Vietnam War, he wanted them to recognize, why are you investing in war when America is in no clear danger? And we're not investing in eradicating poverty. Another quote from him in 1967. This is also a little less than a year before he was murdered. Quote, we must recognize that we can't solve our problem now until there is a radical redistribution of economic and political power. This means a revolution of values and other things. We must see now that the evils of racism, economic exploitation, and militarism are all tied together. You can't really get rid of one without getting rid of the others. The whole structure of American life must be changed. America is a hypocritical nation, and we must put our own house in order. End quote. Let that sit with you. See you soon.